and then interact with the students for them. But if there are specific needs arises in future with the minimal fee kind of thing, I have clearly told them the minimal fee cannot be more than 1,000 rupees, because the amount of students what they'll get is really large. So the fee will not be more, but as of now, we will not even think about paid internship. When we are not able to get a proper thing for free internship, then we will think about paid internship. That's the strategy what we have today. So the request from my side is, um, basically please ask the students to join in, update that photograph, because without photograph, sending these profiles to the companies will not look good. So it should be going in a very, very professional way. These are the students we wanted to.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, good afternoon. This is Bonishri, sir.
Sorry,
From
madam.
ACS
Morning you
College.
called me. I could not take your call. I was outside. I thought of calling you after this meeting. Please tell me, ma'am.
It's okay, sir. Sir, in the group also I had mentioned that from Department of ENC, all the students are interested to take up online training for 4 full weeks as per the VTU norms. But
Okay.
with respect to hardcore electronics, sir,
Yeah,
because
understood.
normally it will be of software. And the problem is, you know, what has happened with the EC department previous year.
Yes.
And this time I want 4 weeks solid training. And even one of the company has come forward for the
Okay.
details of which I have posted here to you.
Okay.
Why I have referred that company is they have already placed 20 students of ACS EC department students in that same field. So
That's
they are very good
good
in teaching. So even the charges is many of the engineering college for 40 hours are charging 1,500.
Yeah.
And the way in which they are charging is very good feedback is there. So not only that company, and particularly because I forwarded it. I yesterday also updated principles regarding the same. So I have sent the details to you, sir. Just have a look at it.
Definitely,
And
madam.
if
So
not
if
that,
there is a what you call a good thing which is going to happen for the students, definitely we will do it, because that is the what you call principal objective of doing this. If they are
yes, sir.
having a
Let it
4 week
be
continuous
real time.
internship, let us do it. But what is the time frame for each day, madam? It will be 2 hours, or it will be a.
Sir, as per BTU, it says 40 hours. That means 4 weeks minimum is required, sir.
So
Of
4 weeks in the sense we'll
internship.
have 20 days. So 2 hours a day would really be sufficient.
No, sir. It should be theory in the morning, afternoon hands-on.
No,
It may
for
be
example,
embedded
if
C, it
it
may
is
be
going
Python
to be
programming.
40 hours, then 4 weeks means it comes 20 days. So each day, if you are spending 2 hours, we'll be able to cover 40 days, no? 40 hours.
Yes, sir, but it is better that even this internship should have morning theory and afternoon hands-on. Only then students will be interested to pay the money and get it done.
Yes,
because
basically, you also please refer whatever is available, we'll take it, because there is no any reservations from the platform side, which company is there. So absolutely we can take it. There are absolutely no issues. And there is one more company.
I forwarded it. I
here
will also inform the Kavita madam in the morning, sir.
Yeah, there is one more company here in Pondicherry, which I met them yesterday. They are doing a lot of these packaging machines with plenty of sensors associated with it. Automatic packaging machines.
Okay.
They are manufacturers of this packaging machinery. I have asked them to provide them with hands-on sessions. They told me they can do it for a couple of weeks. I'll figure that and I'll put
anything is okay, sir. But I want a hardcore.
But they will do it for whatever. I have told them that let us first engagement, we'll do it for free of cost. They have in fact agreed, that MD has agreed for that. So let us give all these options to students.
Yes, sure, sir, sure.
Within this week, let us complete the onboarding of students. At least 300 people should be there, so that if you are going and saying that we have a platform, so many colleges, so many students are there, if they see only 50 students, 60 students, it's not looking good. And the way in which the student's profile is also there is also should be really having images, so that it gives a very, very professional look. So that is what I would request from this meeting. At least by end of this week, let us aim for at least 300 students or 400 students to get onboarded to this particular activity with complete details of them, like photographs and all the rest. All the information is available. Photographs is what is missing. Then immediately we'll keep a cutoff of Saturday. I'll forward this Saturday to 8-9 companies, and one of the contact from earlier, what you call the alumnus of RRC from Australia has also come forward to provide this internship. This Saturday we have a meeting with them. They should be able to absorb some 10 to 15 people and then provide this internship with an Australian university. I think it's Queen's University or something. So in a specific department. And like that, we have also taken some University of Aberdeen from UK. I think some of you might know Dr. Nakiran, who has also signed a MOU with RR group of institutions, and he is from the EEE department. So we can actually tailor a program for the EEE students from the University of Aberdeen. So we will get a joint certificate from ICET and Department of EEE from Aberdeen University. Similarly, we will do it for the Michigan University in the US. So these are the things quickly we will do parallelly before this weekend. So we'll identify at least some 10 service providers who are willing to provide internship in multiple areas. And when we have the required number of students, immediately we will send them to all these companies, so that then we will see the progress. If we are not able to get enough amount of companies, then we'll go for this kind of paid model with the kind of this kind of platform we have. We should be reducing the cost to maximum. For example, within 1,000 rupees, we should be able to bring it down, so that as pointed out, the students will also have seriousness, and then we will have all the assessment done online with us, so that we can clearly monitor and evaluate the students. Automatically, the certificate also will be provided for them. So this is what the plan that we have today. And now I'll leave the thing open to everyone, so that they can unmute themselves, and then put up the questions or doubts if they have. Then we are very much happy to answer that.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
This is Pawan Kumar from Rajareshwari College of Engineering, sir, Electrical Department.
Please tell me, sir.
Sir, I was happy to know that you have a separate internship plan for Electrical Department.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, and I'm much more looking forward to that.
Okay.
We have some problem with the students database, which I'm correcting it by the end of this today, or by tomorrow I'll resolve everything.
Okay.
Sir, our principal is insisting on unpaid internships, which where students should not something like that. So it would be very helpful if you can find those things for us.
No, see, our prime objective is also internships only. So if some case, if there is a specific need, or if they need it as a training program kind of thing, definitely we should go for a paid internship. If it is a normal internship program, obviously it should come for free. But if they are going to conduct a training morning and afternoon continuously together, they will expect, anyone will expect something, because normal companies will not do those kind of things. They will only share their facility, infrastructure and expertise. So they will not conduct training. If it is going to be a structured training program, then some amount of cost might be involved. That we will take it as a secondary thing. But initially we will target for free internship only for most of the departments. And as Bhuvaneshwari ma'am told, that if there is any specific need from the students, we will look for that option also.
Thank you, sir. And one more thing, sir. Hotline Training Center of KPTCL Bangalore, which is located in Kanakpur Road, is actually providing internship to the electrical students. Which last year, with the help of our old HOD, we could get that, sir. Now, if you can kindly contact with him and can do if any favorable part, it will be very much useful, sir.
But are they giving free internship?
Yeah, that is free internship, sir. That is free internship.
Because last time
students have to go there, they'll be broken into.
And these training centers, as well as the aircraft CEC and all, they were charging 10,000 rupees or something kind of thing. That's why we didn't proceed on this. If this is kind of thing, I will get in touch with you, and then either Daphne or Kavita can coordinate and get it done immediately. There's no issues on that.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. That is what I wanted.
Daphne, please take a note of it. Then after that, you can connect with Pawan sir and get the details, so that we can start the engagement and discussions. Then we can have them in also in this platform.
Sure, sir. Will do.
Yeah.
So good afternoon, sir. I'm Smita Manoj from RRC, sir.
Yeah, please tell me, madam.
Students are more concerned about what are the names, like different companies they want to know, sir. Which are the companies related to CTTs?
Yeah, so if they can go to their site, then if they see for example, I just share the screen. They need not ask anybody. So I'll just share the screen here. So this is I'll say RRC student. Just seeing that, this is what he is going to log in. And this is, if you go to My Connects, they will have all the companies here. They themselves can see. And if they want to see the mentors, they can see all the mentors here. This we will keep on updating. So they need not
Okay.
ask anybody. They can just go and see it here.
Okay, sir. My Connect, they have to
My
go.
Connects in their thing. Obviously, there will be two panels, companies. They'll have all the companies here, and here they will have the mentors.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So that's the reason we got this platform, because students need not run here and there to know which company. They can see everything here only. With their login, they can see it, and they can see it in their mobile also. And we also have a mobile app so that they can download this mobile app and then use that app for them.
Which is that mobile app, sir?
It's called Select Smart. I will send the link so they can download
Okay.
the app, and then that will work for students. They will have all their activities, notification, companies, and then mentors. Everyone will be available in their mobile.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Sir, Kamal sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, actually from RRC, so far we have assigned 1,500 students for the
Yes,
virtual.
1,424 students are there. Yeah.
1,400. Just I wanted to know on what basis the company will select the students for the internship. For example, all the students will be eligible to proceed for the internship, or there what would be the percentage for filtration will be there, sir?
See, each company
So
basically
because
share this
they
link
need to
for each
answer
and
for a question and they need to upload a self video for that, right? So
self
after
video
that,
is required. At least photographs can be there. Self video, if
okay.
it's not there, also at least see. First of all, company will look for good communication. See, that's
Fine,
why
sir.
we are asking for video, because companies are not asking video. We are insisting because the way the student expressed them will basically the company will be able to form an opinion on them. So
Okay.
when the video is very what you call very innovative, students is very looks committed, then they will immediately consider them. The moment they have selected those kind of who are the people who are going to be provided by them, then they will come out of this group, and then the opportunity will go for the next set of people. So like that, within a week's time or 10 days time, we will be able to provide maximum number of what you call this kind of internship with the existing companies as groups. And slowly, if people who are left out, then they look for this kind of a paid internship which they are not available, or somebody can look for something which is outside with their own contacts. So there need not be any restrictions kind of thing that we need to go only to the platform. The platform is a medium for them to identify companies, because a student cannot go and interact with 100 companies. They are seeing 100 companies within the platform. They can select, decide which one they want, and they can do it. So these companies have agreed to provide internships and projects. So
the equal opportunities will be there for all the department, or only for CSC, ISC, it's like that internship?
No. It's open for all. For example, there are mechanical companies inside, there are civil companies inside, there are IT companies inside. So
okay, all will be having equal opportunity. Yes.
Equal opportunity. That is where they will see the student profile and decide who is good. For example, a person, if you see the what you call our platform itself, somebody would have attended all the 45 programs what has happened through the platform. So and
yes.
every weekend also we are basically providing seminars and technical talks every weekend.
Yeah, that
so people who are consciously attending all those things will definitely be given preference, because they take it very seriously and they are much more what you call active, and they wanted to participate in these kind of things. That shows them the mindset and attitude of the student. So that is where they will get selected. So if no one is attending this kind of, even that kind of seminars and technical talks kind of thing, then see, the companies also is providing a free of cost, with the intention they need to give some back, back to the society is one thing. Second thing is they want to exhibit their expertise. Third thing is they want to do their activity. So that being the criteria, they will look for the best of the students. They will not just give for anyone who wanted, because they will have something in their mind, back of their mind. They may not communicate upfront. Okay, can I use this person for something else? So when the person goes and then impresses very well, then it may slowly translate into a project. When they have excellent rapport between them, that will end up in a placement. That is the main purpose of having the student right from the first or second years. Why we are insisting the students right from the beginning is they are slowly building up their e-profile right from day one. When finally when they see the their profile in the third year or fourth year, they would have seen all the activities which they have attended over a period of time, which they will definitely not remember if it's not captured. And if a company, for example, today what is the resume? It's just 2 page saying that what is the percentage of marks and what is the projects done by them. That's all the resume is. If the person can take a PDF report of all the activities and attach with the resume, that gives a lot of weightage. And it also shows the what you call the participation as well as the involvement of the student in various activities while he was in the college. That would add a lot of weightage. Then they will look into what kind of seminars, what kind of areas he has attended, what kind of, for example, all online assessment mock tests are available. They can go and say how much he has, how he has performed. Everything they can just see online. So they need not ask anybody. They can just go to their login and then see everything. They can see what is the, for example, I'll show you. If I'm a company, for example, I'm logging as a company as a CTDS. I want to see my profile of my student, whatever the candidate whom I'm going to look into. Then, so I just go to my candidates, and if I want to see anybody kind of thing, then this person has, let us see who has attended maximum. Just Nitya, CTS, and then I'll say some Sherva has attended 46 activities. So this person has basically 46 activities he was assigned, but he has taken only one online assessment of Selenium. So if they want to go and see what he has done, he has got 4.7 out of 5, which is good. Then they'll click and see what questions and answers he has done. So now it will give, okay, this guy is good because he has attended 46 activities. Because I don't know anybody here. I don't know who is that person. By seeing, I will see the maximum number of activities attended as well as how much he has scored. Out of 5, he has scored 4.7. Then obviously I get an impression saying that, okay, this guy should be good. Then if I see his profile video,
Principal Sunila,
video profile, I will get impressed saying that, okay, yes, communication. Then obviously my thing will go to him only. If I'm saying Nitya, he has attended only 5 activities. 2 activities she has taken and 1 online assessment. She has taken big data. She has got around 2.6, and they can see. At least she has managed to attend this and then attend this particular thing on big data. If a company is saying she has attended some 10 big data assessment kind of thing, and then obviously they will know this person is very much interested in big data. So that's how the basically the evaluator will look like. And this is a good credential for her also to show up and saying that I have attended so many things. So now all the data of the student is available right before us, and whatever assessment they have taken is completely available with answers. If I'm going to send this to the companies, then obviously if it is looking like this with photograph, and additionally if there is a video profile also, then obviously it will be a very good thing for the companies to look into this. So that's what we wanted to insist, that at least photograph should be there, and then they should complete their profile. So out of 1,434 people whom we have uploaded, so if we can get at least some 500 people to be on board. And I'm seeing number as 92 here, and then in ACS it's only 29. So we need to improve that. So by end of this week, we will take a call. By the end of the week, they can see at least some 100 companies there, and then they can. Then we will forward this. We'll open up this link to the companies. I'll send out a mail to all the companies saying that the students are ready for the internship. Please provide this internship opportunity to them. Then they will start, and the student will be directly interacting with them. Then they can formalize this one. That's the plan. What we have.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, this is Dr. Anita from ACS, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Anita.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, will the students have some tests to write to get into these companies, sir?
No, internship, there is no test, Anita.
Okay, sir. Okay.
They need to provide their profile, that's all. They don't have any
sir.
test. At the end of the internship, they will conduct one assessment.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Initially. And if you feel that we need to keep some test, we can keep a test. That I leave it to you. We can create an online assessment for this and then provide it to all the RRC and ACS students. So anybody who qualifies for more than 3, then we can also set up those kind of things.
Because if for a single company, if we have too many people opting for the same company, then students would be disappointed, sir. That's
Yeah, I understood that. So because everyone will
Yeah,
not
sir.
get in one company, but the domain they can get. And if you insist in conducting this assessment, then we will conduct the assessment only for people who have enrolled. For example, at the end of this week, if we have 500 people, then we will conduct this online test for 500 people and then rate them based on marks.
No, sir. Let us not have any assessment, because students will, like, they might feel pressurized.
Okay,
They'll
fine.
be happy without assessment. If we
Yeah,
allow
I'll
them,
leave it
they
to
might
you.
be happy,
There's
sir.
no issue kind of thing. I'll leave it to you.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, Nandini madam.
I'm Nandini from CSC, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, like we are really we have some technical issues. Can the virtual internship date can be extended, sir? Like 31st is the last date. Can it be extended some 2 to 3 days so that still some changes are happening, and still we have left out only with 2 days. And
Okay, that's
you
what
know
I
that
told
like in
till the
our
end of this week,
department,
till Saturday. Yeah, till Saturday we
yeah,
can have it.
because in our department more strength is there, so I am unable to handle everything like the thing. So I'm feeling difficulties. So my request is please extend the date for taking up the assessment, sir, or updating the profile.
Okay, one
Yes,
second.
sir. Even I suggest same, sir. Please.
Okay, definitely we'll do it.
Because the main problem I'm facing is like one of the student details I'm trying to enter, but it is showing like it's already exist. But when I'm trying to find it out, but I'm not able to see that, sir. So many small technical issues are there through which the students are not able to give up the informations. So we request you to extend the dates so that we can handle these technical issues, and even all the students will get a equal opportunity, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll extend it right away. 1 second.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, we'll do it right away. So basically, we will do it right away.
Sir, very good afternoon. I'm Dr. Ramesh from Mechanical Department, RRC. Sir, the virtual internship, how much helpful for our department? That is a thing I am having some confusion.
Okay,
Then,
definitely I'll answer your question. So,
one more.
Up to July 31st. So,
For
by when
the
you want
university, whether they will accept.
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah. So that whether VTU will accept this virtual internship and all for the students, this is also one of the confusion. They are not having any clarity for this.
Yes.
In this situation, instead of ideally sitting in their home, let them do any internship. Nothing will be wrong in that. We are happy for that. That also without pay, they have to practice this. So we are very happy.
That is what I'm saying. Without pay, they get a certificate also. So anyway, it will be useful for them. And they have the basically attending this by means of the what they call, they are doing the virtual tour. They are actually participating in the assessment. They are taking the questions from the people who are there. Even if they go in person, they are going to do the same thing. They're not going to do something different there. So I think we could justify it as a, because now virtual internship has become popular everywhere, especially in this kind of situation. Even if nothing is VTU is saying that I'm not going to take it, there's no loss for the student because there's no money involved in it, and then they have also a certificate for this. So we keep it like that.
So it is added advantage only. After if we do. Okay.
So shall we
extend
up to 4th or something? We'll take stock by next Monday.
Sure, sir. Definitely it will be helpful for everybody.
Okay, so I have changed it to August 4th. So I have updated it. Now till August 4th they can use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Shivalinga, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, you ask to That two questions we discussed, now you ask me the questions.
So some of the students are finding it difficult to log in. That is one more problem, sir. Especially backlog students, those who are active, so they are finding it
Backlog
difficult to log in.
students means, for example, people who are passed out or
No, sir. There are some
More than 4 subjects if they failed,
okay.
so they are in home.
Okay.
But they are our student only. Due to more than 4 subjects failed, they are there. So in 7th semester they are. Instead of ideally killing their valuable time, why we can't utilize?
See, for example, this entire thing is repeated by year of joining. So first year, second year, third year, fourth year can be part of it. There is no problem. And if we are not having their mail IDs, please send their mail IDs in an Excel sheet. We'll add those mail IDs so that they will also be accessible in their respective departments. Currently, their mail IDs are not available. That's the reason they are not able to log in into the system.
log in.
So how many number of companies available for mechanical students?
Currently, there may be around 4 or 5 companies are there. We'll see to that at least some 30 companies are there in mechanical by another 15 days of time.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, can anyone technical person can come over here so that in one day we can sort out the difficulties we are facing, sir? Like through messages and all, you don't think so? Like it is working fine, sir. So if
No, what
anyone
are
can
the
come,
type of difficulties you are facing? The difficulties can be only in the form of login, no? There cannot be any other.
login and few like the details are there, but it is not showing.
No, that will not
Like
happen, madam.
so many.
So, basically,
Sir, I have no, sir. I have sent the proof to the group actually. When I am when I'm trying to add the candidate, it is showing like already exists. When I'm trying to search it, it is not showing. I don't know like how to sort it out. And
for
students are
example,
giving.
I'll tell you what would have happened. You are
Yes, sir.
you are adding the student from which login? From your department login, right?
Yes, sir.
So
No, sir. College.
From their college login. If somebody
Yes, sir.
added that particular student from their department login or from somewhere else, then it will be a duplicate. Not allowed. They will say it's already exists, but you will not be able to see it in your list. So, but that will be very, very rare. So if those kind of thing we have to push that student to your respective department. Just send the student name. It's not a technical issue. It's somebody has added him in a different group. He will not be there. So that's the reason.
Okay, like that.
Already exists.
One of like I'm facing one of the student. He is very good and he is very keen to take the internship here. But whatever the issues I told now, he is facing it.
Okay.
So
Hello.
I just want
There are
to
support
come
people
out
who are
of
there. Vinod is there,
Yes,
and then we have one more person called basically one more person called Raghotaman. You can pass this on to either Daphne or Kavita. They will resolve it. I don't think there is any major technical issue.
Nandini ma'am, I think we will talk to this after this meeting and I will resolve that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, myself Dinesh from IAC department, sir.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Actually, yeah, while entering the virtual internship is there, na, sir. That time only student have asking some lot of technical issues, like it will be asking first 5 questions like general information, all the thing, na, sir.
Yes.
Then they'll be asking for 2 minutes video uploading. Na, it will be uploaded. Yeah, just now I got one message from.
Okay.
Trying, but it's not loading like that. Only error came, sir. Then after that, I not answer for 4th and 5th question also. So. Please, you saw like that only he message. That's only I'm asking, sir.
Okay, if that is the case, immediately look into, because this is the first time I'm hearing that. Maybe they would have sent it to the technical team. I don't know. I'll immediately check
actually,
that one.
yeah.
But
Only
what is
the login time
format
only
of the video file? Because the video file format, it should be, if it is a wrong format, for example, if it's a WAV file kind of thing, then it will not upload. It will just keep uploading. Let us check that what will be the issue.
Sir, before that they'll be loading. They'll be tell me about yourself like that, and video will become. Na, sir, what is your internship ideas? What are your thoughts? All the things. Na?
Yes.
They plan to tell that time only that it will be loading. That loading like that only the server will be coming. Sir. So that's only they told also.
See, there may be two issues, sir. One is the format of the file may be a problem. Otherwise, the connection may be very, very slow. These are the two issues that we could expect.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That,
I'll check it
if there is any other issue, we will resolve it immediately, because that's a very fundamental thing that we will resolve it.
Because, sir, this only, sir, because of yesterday we send it to the student virtual internship, we will be log it. 31 is the last day, like that only we told, sir.
Okay.
So yesterday I'm a student telling that, sir, server busy, we don't know, but when it will go for login, they got the error message from the mail, like your mail is not recognized, like that only error came. I'll
For
send the
example,
pic also.
if a student is using a different mail, then that issue will come. Because every student has given a mail ID and we have uploaded their mail IDs in the system. So, for example, most of them have given their Gmail IDs or whatever it is. They should log in with the same ID. Because some students may be using different IDs now. Because I have come across those kind of cases, a couple of cases, yesterday or day before yesterday. The student told that I have not used that ID. I'm not using it for a long time. I gave it initially in the college.
Sir, for some students, if the mail ID is same also, so it is not recognizing, sir.
Yes, that is only problem also, sir. Before that, all the activity they'll be attending, they'll be assigning the assessment also.
Yes.
Online assessment, big data, and Python, whatever also they'll be attending machine learning also.
Okay.
But yesterday they'll be trying this virtual internship will be sending. They told that no, it's not possible. Also, you got the error. I send the pic also. Your WhatsApp or Kavita ma'am also, no problem. Now
okay, immediately
cross checked once again.
Like that.
Yeah.
What is the issue?
That is one, sir. Another thing, and sir, for example, like maybe they given the deadline, like maybe today conducting meeting, another 1 or 2 days will be update the data means. As a faculty coordinator from the department will be getting from the class teacher whatever also information. For example, some student information will be added, sir. Okay, you're not mentioning for CGPA whatever also. When after that you'll be adding the CGPA again, it will be coming replica, like duplicate, 2 names. 1 person, 2 names like that only come. How it is possible will be delete, sir. As a coordinator will be give the authorization to delete means will be delete also, or you provide the individual department login.
For example, the candidate is being recognized by means of mail ID. So
yes,
if a person is having a same mail ID, he cannot come twice. But if a person is using 2 different mail IDs, then the replication will come. They may have a 2 because the validation is happening on the mail ID. It is not happening on the registered number. So registered number, even if you have 3 mail IDs, and then if you 3 times you can add the student, it will add.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That's the reason it's getting the unique ID.
Sir, passing. Sir, instead of college login, if you provide for individual department also login means we'll be check it the student quality, what are the activities they'll be complete, like this also is possible, sir.
The reason why we gave the college login is, so if we are giving individual login, you can see, the management can see only that particular department. They will not be able to see the entire college. So that's what we want to have. All the college students should be in one college, and every department has a company login. They can actually see the students. They can also assign activities to students. There's no issue. Only for the reporting purpose, we want all the college students should be in the institution so that we get a complete picture of the entire student base within the college for the management. And in any way, every department has a as a company login. Every department has. They can post their, for example, activities. Whether you're conducting any webinar, seminar, event session, you can post it there, and you can add the respective students over there. There's no issue on that.
Yes.
Because earlier we planned to do like that, but the problem came is we will not be able to get a consolidated view of the college if you do it department wise.
Sir?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm from biomedical.
Yes, sir.
Sir, our students will not get internship more in biomedical core. Last time the companies have charged 8,000, 9,000 for medical imaging domain just for 1 month. So if it is core biomedical, then it would be helpful for our students, sir.
Okay, so we have spoken to a couple of hospitals, sir, because now hospitals are very busy. They are not even entertaining, because earlier, last time, 2 or 3 people came and gave some lecture on the CT scanners, MRI imaging and all. But now people are very busy, so they don't take this kind of thing. But core biomedical is really an area of concern.
demo பண்ணாங்க சார். இப்ப பண்ணாங்களா சார்? அதனால
if it is clinical instrumentation, then it is problem, sir, because hospital will not provide this year. There will be no internship from hospital, I believe, sir. Through companies, medical using Python and all. The other day we had
There is
webinar on
one company
use
which has
Python with images, sir.
Python with ML. Basically,
Yes, sir.
yesterday we had a meeting with that company. They have promised to give some internship and seminars in the month of August.
Lakshmi Keeler, sir.
Daphne, you please note, yesterday we had
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Vinay, right? So in that, please
yes.
ask him for some 10 to
Yes.
15 internship, but maximum they would give around 10 to 15 internship, not more than that. We need to
Right.
find
Okay.
similar companies or organizations like that.
Meghana, sir.
Okay.
Meghana,
biomedical
present police.
engineering, yeah.
Sure. Okay, sir. We'll just check on that.
Yes.
அதான் நீ பேசுறீங்க அதுவும் ஹிதாஸ்ட் ரெண்டு பேசினா சொல்லிட்டு சார் இது ஆல்ரெடி சாஃப்ட் காப்பி இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் மெயில் அனுப்பிடுறேன்
And hopefully then we have extended this date till 4th of August. Now you can use an update. The technical problem
even number 96 94 அப்படியே போட முடியும்.
Which came from Dr. Dinesh. We will see whether that is existing. If so, we will address it immediately before students could enter any details. If they are not able to take up this kind of thing, then immediately we will see what we can.
So also another point, this Saturday you will be addressing ICERT and Select Smart, to students for them to get a better.
Take a call with the coordinators and the institution. So we have told them. So it need not be specifically on this. So
right.
If it is going to be combined along with internship, if we want to talk about internships to students, then we can speak. Regarding only ICERT and Select Smart, it may not be required.
No, specifically we wanted, on the virtual internship itself.
See, for the students, now we are talking.
Yes, for the students.
Ourselves.
Yes.
With the students, if we want to explain, then we can have that meeting on Saturday. If students are participating, the same thing we can explain to them how virtual internship is going to work, what are the type of companies where they can find the companies, how they can identify that, we can show them those kind of.
Sure. Yes, yes.
That would really be
I hope that will be useful, Dr. Anita, Dr. Kamal, where we will be addressing the students directly.
Yeah, Daphne. Surely it will be helpful.
Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday we'll do that for the students.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sir, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, then if there are no questions, then we can basically take leave, so that we will, if required, we'll touch base somewhere in the next week, so that this allied group can decide on the internship. So what is the status, how many have got, how many students have updated, so what are the percentage of share of companies and domains where we have internship. Maybe Daphne, we can set up something on Tuesday or Wednesday next week, in consultation with the department heads, as well as knowing their availability too. Then we can discuss, we can focus on the discussion only on the internships, saying that how many opportunities we have, what are the domain areas, and how many we need to do. Then we can take a stop, so that we can go to the next plan for that.
Sure, we can do that. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So any specific questions before we leave? Okay, if there are no questions, then we will take a leave. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Next week. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.